Good day, we are Group 1 and today we are going to discuss about antidifferentiation. So what is antidifferentiation? Well, antidifferentiation is a process of finding an antiderivative. Here we can see the power rule, which is commonly significant in finding the antiderivative. It is also the process of integration, which the opposite of finding and taking derivatives. It is illustrated by the integral of x to the power raised by n plus 1 over that power raised by 1 plus c. Next is the integral of a constant, which will be used when there is a constant term. So the integral of that will just be the number times x. So we have two examples here that we need to answer. First, we have to find the integral of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4 plus x. Secondly, we have to find the integral of 6 sine x plus 3 cosine x. So firstly, find the integral of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4 plus x using the power rule. X to the third power will be x to the fourth power over 4. Next is just keep the subtraction here because of the sum and difference rules. Then this term also has an x power, but it also has 3 multiplied out front, so we need to multiply it and keep the constant and integrate the rest. So keep the 3 and then integrate x squared with the power rule. So instead of x to the second power, it is going to be 3x to the third over 3. The same process in the power of x, and it is understood to have the power of 1. So using power rule, it is on x to the first power becomes x squared over 2. Then if we have constant term, the integral of that will be the number times x. So integral of 4 is 4 times x, so 4x. And add constant plus c at the end because we don't know if there was a number there, so put c as a placeholder and can represent all possible antiderivatives. Simplify and we are getting x to the fourth power over 4 minus x cubed plus x squared over 2 plus 4x plus c. Next, we have to find the integral of 6 sine x plus 3 cosine x. So there is a table of integrals, so the integral of sine is negative cosine. We are going to get negative 6 cosine x here, and the integral of cosine is sine, so we can get 3 sine x and add the constant plus c. So we are getting the integral of the given as negative cosine x plus 3 sine x plus c. And that's all for this topic. Here are our references that should you wish to open. Again, we are Group 1 and they are my group mates. Thank you and see you next time.